Welcome to my channel. This is my review of Now Solutions 100% pure castor oil. Castor oil has been used since ancient times and is a multi-purpose oil. Castor oil has many uses and benefits. For the skin, castor oil is known to moisturize skin, fight signs of aging, reduce acne, prevent stretch marks, fade blemishes, heal inflamed skin, reduce pigmentation. For hair, it conditions it, promotes hair growth, prevents premature graying, treats scalp infections, and for the health, it disinfects wounds, acts as a laxative, boosts immunity, treats ringworms, treats back pain, and reduces joint pain, arthritis. This oil is gluten-free, hexane-free, non-GMO, paraben-free, vegan, so there's no animal-based ingredients, and it's not tested on animals. It only contains Ricinus communis seed oil. I used castor oil daily to help treat my thin edges, but don't expect hair growth overnight. Results will come slowly, and there are other factors that contribute to hair growth, like proper nutrition. I use castor oil consistently every night on my eyebrows, and it has been working for me. They became thicker now. Don't just apply the oil, make sure you massage it in. I also use some on my scalp a few nights a week. I have naturally long lashes already, but I will start using it for my lashes to grow super long and thicker. When my lips are dry, I put some castor oil on them and it makes them really soft. The texture is very thick and sticky, but that's how castor oil is. I sometimes dilute the castor oil with lighter oils like olive oil or grapeseed oil, and it gets less sticky that way. I apply the oil using an applicator bottle. Castor oil makes my hair shiny and helps reduce shedding. My hair is softer and much healthier since I started using it in my hair care routine. I also add a few drops to my shampoo. This oil is odorless. It's not like Jamaican black castor oil that has a burnt smell. I love that castor oil can be used for many things. I also use castor oil for homemade natural care products. The bottle contains UV light protectant and it's really big. This bottle is 16 ounce, so it can last very long, and the price is really affordable for the size. There's also a 4-ounce size bottle available. This castor oil is expeller pressed, so it's not extracted by chemicals. Expeller pressing is a processing method that's been used for thousands of years to safely extract or press botanicals and other natural materials to isolate oils and other essences. If you have any questions about castor oil, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience with this product. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.